How can your continuing education tutor help you? Your tutor will be your primary point of contact from the first to the last day of your studies. They'll help you settle into and get used to your new online environment. They'll explain what the program entails and how the tutor's classroom works. They'll provide you with a full range of resources to make a good start to the semester. They'll give you professional guidance and advice on your academic pathway, taking into account your interests and professional goals. Over the academic year, they'll post relevant information in the announcements section of the tutor's classroom. They'll offer you advice on how to approach your activities, information about procedures, and resources for career guidance and more. They'll help you deal with any doubt you might have about your program. With your tutor there supporting you, you'll always have someone you can turn to.